Hello, class. This is the spelling test for List 2 for February 8th, 2018. First, make sure you have selected your name from the list. If you don't select your name, your test will not go through. After you hear the word, pause the video so you can type the word. You can also rewind the video to hear the word again. Do your best. Here we go. Number 1. Frame. Frame. My mother put the picture in a frame. Number 2. Brave. Brave. Ruby Bridges was a brave girl. Number 3. Her. Her. Do you know her? Number 4. Like. Like. I like learning new things. Number 5. Grace. Grace. She danced with grace. Number 6. Crate. Crate. The puppy is in the crate. Number 7. Said. Said. Make me brand new, said Sneezy the snowman. Number 8. Some. Some. Please give me some cookies. Number 9. Skate. Skate. My sister can skate very well. Number 10. Would. Would. He would order a salad. Those are the words for this week. See you next time. Great job.